Good evening. This is the 6 p.m. update for the severe thunderstorm and heavy rain event for July 1st, 2025. This is the last update I'm going to be doing as we are transitioning to pretty much a pure rainfall event with some heavier rainfall definitely producing areas of flash flooding. You had some areas already producing as much as 4 inches of rain around the region. Now, right now, as we look at the radar, you can see dominated mostly by areas of flash flood warnings going throughout southeastern Pennsylvania, around the I-95 corridor, through central New Jersey, just north of Philadelphia. We do have one or two, three, should I say, severe thunderstorm warnings. One down towards Maryland, another one around Delaware, and then another one around central New Jersey, around southern Ocean County. This one is right around, it's producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter size hail, and it's impacting Toms River, Beechwood, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, and Seaside, and a couple other areas down towards the coast here. Now, why are we seeing a reduction in our severe thunderstorms? Well, let's take a look at some of the observations. And first of all, we'll start with the precipitant water value. There is just a ton of moisture here still in the atmosphere, plenty of lifting. This is going to keep our flash flooding threat alive and well, with again many locations pushing over 2 inches of rain. But the severe threat is backing off because the vertical wind shear is starting to get a little bit weaker and directed more towards central New York. And notice the instability is starting to decline. Why? Well, the rain-cooled air is creating what we call SIN, which is basically limiting the ability for the thunderstorms to feed on the instability. There's still plenty of mid-level instability in the atmosphere, but now we're moving into the evening hours. So that's going to start to decline. And as a result, the thunderstorms are becoming more elevated. The base is rising. And so what you end up with is far more heavy rainfall threats and flash flooding threats than you have severe thunderstorm threats. Now, I'm still expecting one or two severe thunderstorm warnings popping up down towards southern New Jersey, as it's still capable of tapping into some of that instability in the atmosphere. But as we move forward over the next 30, 45 minutes, we'll transition over to a more of a heavy rainfall event, which is why likely, again, the Phillies cancel their game, the Mets cancel their game. I would not suggest any type of outdoor activities this evening because it is going to be awfully wet, awfully windy, and awfully dangerous for driving, especially with poor visibility. And please do not drive through submerged roadways, as you never know how deep that water is and you could end up in a lot of trouble. So that's it for this evening. Again, the severe threat is going to be subsiding. The rainfall and flash flooding threat will continue to increase. And then this cold front will start to move through and push through the region tomorrow with additional showers. This is going to be the peak of this severe threat from these series of cold fronts that move through. And then we set up for beautiful weather conditions in time for the Independence Day weekend. Thank you for following and keeping an eye on the severe weather with me. I hope you stay safe out there, and I will see you tomorrow.